Autumn Fashion Trends 2023. Hey, you style experts! It's once more that time of year. As the leaves change color and the air gets cooler, we say goodbye to the breezy summer trends and hello to the cozy and stylish fall 2023 trends. This season is going to be great for fashionistas because it has both classic pieces that will never go out of style and daring new trends. Take a seat, grab a pumpkin spice latte, and let's talk about the must-have fall 2023 fashion trends. Do not follow the crowd, and use every sidewalk as a runway. The pulse of the fashion world is fashion trends, which shape what we wear and how we present ourselves. They are especially important when the seasons change because they let us adapt our clothes to the new weather while also showing off our own style. We're going to talk about why autumn 2023 fashion trends are important by looking at their role, their impact, and why they matter to you. The colors of fall 2023, the most popular color schemes for the season. The colors in the autumn 2023 color palette are perfect for the season because they are warm, cozy, and classy. The colors of this season are mostly earthy and rich, which shows how the landscape is changing. There will be a lot of deep forest green, bold burgundy, and classic shades of burnt orange in fashion this fall 2023. These colors, which are like the changing colors of nature, represent the natural change from summer to winter. Accent colors and complementary colors will be very important in the autumn 2023 color palette because they will bring out these main colors. The earthy tones will look brighter with splashes of bright cobalt blue, warm rose, and golden yellow. As accents, these colors look great because they stand out and give the whole look a sense of playfulness and energy. Fabrics and textures. The fall 2023 trends in fabrics and textiles. For fall 2023, the fabric trends are all about comfort, style, and being eco-friendly. Because it is soft and luxurious, velvet will be a popular choice for both day and night wear. A lot of people will also want corduroy and wool, which are known for being warm and long-lasting. Silk and satin will continue to be in style as lighter, more breathable options that add a touch of sophistication to any fall outfit. Adding layers to stay warm and look good. Layering is a big trend for fall 2023 because it gives you a lot of options, keeps you warm, and lets you try out different fabrics and textures. Put on a soft cotton t-shirt or a silk blouse as the base layer. Then, add a chunky knit cardigan or a wool vest for warmth. Add something bold to the end, like a velvet coat or a corduroy blazer. Don't forget to play around with colors by mixing the earthy main colors with bright accent colors. Clothing and coats. The must-have coat styles for fall 2023. In the fall of 2023, coat styles will go back to having classic shapes. The trench will always be a classic and can be worn with many different outfits. Also, the teddy bear coat, which has a soft, furry texture and an oversized fit, will be a popular choice because it looks good and is comfortable. Lastly, the double-breasted peacoat will be popular because of its clean lines and versatility, which make it a good choice for both casual and dressy occasions. Trends in statement outerwear. This season will also see a lot of bold outerwear trends. There will be a lot of bright patterns on the runways and in the streets, especially animal and checkered prints. As fall approaches, bright colors will make their way into the wardrobe. Coats in electric blue, bright orange, and fuchsia will be the most fashionable choice. Lastly, adding details like big collars, chunky buttons, and belts that make a statement will make your outerwear even more interesting. Ideas to help you choose the best coat for your shape. To combine comfort and style, it's important to pick out the right coat for your body type. If you have an hourglass shape, coats with belts and wraps will draw attention to your waist. If your body shape is pear-shaped, align coats and jackets with wider shoulders can help even out your size. Lastly, if you are short, styles that fit close to the body and shorter lengths can make your body look longer. Remember that the most important thing is to pick a coat that makes you feel good about yourself. New sweater designs and styles. In the fall of 2023, there will be both classic and new sweater styles. Cable knits and turtlenecks are classic styles that will never go out of style. On the cutting edge, you can look forwards to sweaters with dramatic balloon sleeves, asymmetrical necklines, and designs that have been taken apart. In the sweater world, big, bright blocks of color and graphic patterns are also likely to be big trends. How to style knits for different events. How you wear knits can be very different depending on the event. For a laid-back day out, jeans and ankle boots with a chunky knit sweater are a chic and easy way to look put together. Wear a knit cardigan over a dress for a cozy but girly look that's appropriate for work. A fine knit sweater can be worn with a tailored skirt or pants for more formal events. This will create a balanced look that is both stylish and right for the weather. In the fall of 2023, a lot of different pant styles are coming back, and each one has its own style and personality. Straight leg jeans are still a wardrobe essential because they look good with most tops and have a loose fit. High-waisted styles are very popular again because they make the waistline stand out and make the body look longer. Also, wide-legged pants are becoming more popular. They have a cool, retro look that is both comfortable and stylish. Cropped pants and culottes are still popular for transitional weather because they add a fun touch to fall outfits. Adding belts and bottoms as accessories. Belts are more than just useful accessories, they help make your outfit unique. A wide belt can be used to cinch in a sweater or shirt that is too big on you, making your waist look slimmer. Belts that are thin and delicate look classy with pants or skirts that have a high waist. Watch out for leather belts with big buckles, which will give any outfit an edge. If you want your belt to go with your bottoms, think about what color and material they are. Getting comfort and style in autumn pants. Trousers for fall are the perfect mix of comfort and style. Bold prints, like houndstooth or plaid, make clothes more interesting to look at and go with the fall style. It's easy and cozy to look good in joggers or sweatpants, a knit top, and sneakers. Even when it's cold outside, pants made of fabrics that let air pass through can still look stylish, especially when worn with ankle boots or over longer coats. Remember that the best way to dress for fall is to mix patterns, textures, and colors to show off your own style. Boots and shoes for fall. This fall 2023, shoes that are both practical and stylish are all the rage. Ankle boots are still a must-have for fall because they go from day to night so easily. There will be a lot of chunky boots with lug soles this season. They look cool and are comfortable. Also still in style are knee-high and over-the-knee boots, especially with dresses and midi skirts. It doesn't look like the trend for combat boots is going away anytime soon. They add a bit of grunge to softer, more feminine fall outfits. Workwear and fall outfits that are right for the office. Fall is the time of year when work clothes should be a mix of fashion and comfort. Putting on layers is a great way to deal with changing weather during the day. A light turtleneck sweater and a blazer can be worn together for a professional and warm look at the office. It's always stylish and useful to wear tweed or woolen pants and pencil skirts in the fall. If you want to wear fall colors to work, don't be afraid to add accessories or statement pieces in burgundy, olive, or mustard. Weekend and casual clothes for cozy days. When choosing weekend clothes, comfort should come first. Now is the perfect time to wear your favorite jeans, sweatshirts that are too big on you, and chunky knit sweaters. For a casual, cozy look, wear these with your favorite sneakers or sturdy ankle boots. Putting on a flannel shirt over a simple t-shirt can help you adapt to changing fall temperatures. It's important to remember to add a cozy fall touch with a warm scarf or beanie. Getting dressed up for important fall events and occasions. Deep jewel tones, rich textures, and layers are your best friends when you're getting dressed for a special event. Dresses made of velvet or silk in bright colors like royal blue or emerald green can make a strong statement. You can step up your look by wearing these with knee-high boots and jewelry that makes a statement. If you want to look more put together, try a tailored suit in a bright fall color. Don't forget that now is the time to stretch your style and show it off, so don't be afraid to try something new. Trends in makeup and beauty that go with fall clothes. As fall approaches, bold and seductive makeup styles come into style, going well with the clothes of the season. Eyeshadows that are deep and rich in burgundy, copper, and gold look like the colors of leaves changing. Lipsticks that are dark and bold in chocolate or berry shades make a statement that you can't miss. Adding a little bronzer and blush can help bring out your best features and make your skin look warmer. If you want to add a little glam to your nails, try earthy tones. Best hair colors and styles for each season. Fall is a great time to try out hair colors that are warm and spicy. To spice up your look, think about using colors like caramel, cinnamon, or auburn. When it comes to hairstyles, loose curls or waves make hair feel cozy and casual, while accessories with fall-themed themes can make up-do's look classy for special events. Remember that the most important thing is to pick a style and color that go with your personality and your fall wardrobe as a whole. Top designers and fashion bloggers are setting the trends for fall 2023. Designers like Stella McCartney and Marc Jacobs have had a big impact on autumn 2023 by using eco-friendly materials and big, bold shapes in their collections. McCartney uses organic and recycled fabrics in her designs, while Jacobs shows off her big-shouldered styles with bright colors and fun prints. Their new ideas have set the tone for this season's fashion. Style icons and what they think about fall fashion. Olivia Palermo and Alexa Chung, two fashion icons, are known for having great fall styles. Palermo's ability to layer clothes and mix textures makes her look sophisticated while still casual, and Chung's love of vintage-inspired pieces and bold boots makes her look like the perfect autumn style. With their own unique fashion ideas, they give classic fall styles a new look. How to make high fashion part of your everyday clothes. Adding high fashion to your everyday wardrobe is easy if you focus on statement pieces like a designer handbag or shoes and wear them with more casual clothes. Put your statement piece in the middle of your outfit and build the rest around it. You can also get ideas from fashion trends on the runway, like color schemes or prints, and find items that are similar but more affordable. To make a stylish outfit that you can wear, you need to mix expensive pieces with less expensive ones. The autumn fashion trends of 2023 offer a wardrobe that is timeless and ever-evolving, meeting the needs and desires of a diverse and conscious consumer base as we embrace the changing leaves and cooler temperatures. There are plenty of options to choose from, so everyone can find the ideal look for the current season, whether they're looking for sustainability, comfort, or a bold statement.